Today, I'll show you how to automatically convert image URLs to attachments in Airtable. This is really helpful if you have a column full of links to images and you want them to show up as actual image attachments inside your base, rather than just plain text URLs. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up the built-in Airtable extension that handles this for you. First, on your computer, open your web browser. This can be any modern browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type in airtable.com and press enter to go to the Airtable homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces and bases. Once you're signed in, you'll see your list of bases. Go ahead and open the base that contains the table where your image URLs are stored. This is the base where you already have a field with links that point to images, such as product photos, profile pictures, or any other kind of image file hosted online. After the base opens, look along the top and left side to make sure you're in the correct table. If your base has multiple tables, select the one that actually contains your image URL field. The field you're looking for will usually be a single line text field or a URL field where each cell holds a full link that starts with HTTP or HTTPS. It's important that these links go directly to image files like JPEGs or PNGs because the extension will pull the image from those URLs and save them as attachments. Now that you're in the right table, turn your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a sidebar labeled Extensions. If the sidebar is collapsed or not visible, look for a tab or small arrow along the right edge of the window and click it to expand the Extensions panel. Inside this right sidebar, click on the button that says Extensions. From there, choose the option that says Add an Extension. This will open the Airtable Extension Marketplace, where you can browse and search for tools that enhance your base. In the search bar, type URL to attachment. You're looking for the extension called URL to attachment, which is specifically designed to take URLs from one field and convert them into actual file attachments in another field. When you see it appear in the results, click on it. On the extensions page, click Install. Airtable will then add this extension to your base, and a configuration panel or window will appear. From here, you'll be able to choose which table you want to work with, which field contains your image URLs, and which attachment field you want to save the images into. If you don't already have an attachment field set up, you can create a new one before running the extension. Once it's installed and configured, you can run the extension, and it will go through your records, fetch the images from the URLs, and store them as attachments. This makes it much easier to view, manage, and use images directly within Airtable without having to click out to external links every time.